Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our AHRP employee account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your AHRP employee account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you have to search for AHRP employee login. After searching for that, now you can tap on this first option which says net benefits login page. And now you have to select if you are from US or outside from US. After selecting that, you can just enter your username and password. After entering your username and password, just tap on remind me and check this option and just log into your account by tapping on login. But when you try to log into your account, if you're facing some errors like you have entered an invalid password or if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just tap on forgot logins. And now here you can reset or recover your password or your username. So just easily reset or recover your password and username. And after resetting and creating a new password or username, you have to come back to this page and just enter that username. After entering that username, now just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your AHRP employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.